giant field of sand. How are we going? Oh, look!
Look at that. We got what looks like a chiropractic table. Chair.
What's that?
Chiropractic chair.
Oh!
I didn't even sit on it.
Oh, massage stuff. Massage here, I think. Yeah, Bob.
Oh!
Yeah, massage chair. Isn't it?
Yeah.
I know how to sit on it now.
Oh, there's something interesting in the bush.
Yeah.
And it's racing.
See what else we can find. What do we got here today?
TV.
Oh, don't go near the TV. It's all broken glass.
Huh?
All broken glass. What else have we got? We got a sink, some wood,
I bought a bulldog.
chair,
Bulldog ant.
a shirt,
A
a bulldog ant. Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah. Big old bully. Oh, he's an angry fucker, isn't he?
God.
He's angry. Look at him. He's like, yeah, he wants to fucking fight. Dumb ant.
Yeah, this is pretty common in Australia. Isn't it?
What else have we got?
Oh,
See what else we can find.
2 tires. 2 wheels.
2 tyres with a decent amount of tread.
Can I pick up one?
3 tires.
What
Yeah,
is
you
it?
gotta fit 'em on the
That's
car.
2.
Hmm? What is it?
Poverty?
Ah,
Where it is?
it's a power substation.
Oh. Good. Ow.
We'll keep going to see what else we can find. See if we can find anything else cool. Oh, we got some more shit. Let's see what we got.
I don't think so. I'm going to see.
Is that a deal? I want to have it.
Spider web.
What?
Just getting rid of the spider web.
Is that a deal?
A bunch of random ass
Wow.
shit.
What the? That was real. I'm correct. That was real.
There we go. We got some lattice.
Yeah.
What are they covering up under here?
Oh, metal pipe. That's good. A metal pipe. Yeah. Bottle. I need bottle. Oh, a little shooter. No, it will be terrible now. Oh, what? A safe? What's that?
I don't know what that is.
It's a control.
Is this like a kid's toy?
Oh,
It's just people's junk.
that's
People going out here and just
that's
dumping
something
shit.
there. Oh,
Like, what do we got here? Speaker,
oh, what?
sound bar.
Well, the one that
Would
Ant
that
has.
be fine?
Oh, a skateboard.
Whoa, what?
Pennyboard.
Free skateboard for you.
A penny board. Probably still works.
Over
It does still work.
God, why would they do that?
That's
It looks
actually
so
not bad.
sick.
I want it.
Keep
It
it.
doesn't even clean. Leave it clean.
What else have we got?
Yeah, go for it.
It's in this bucket.
I'm gonna. Oh, it's all on Envin. Oh, what's that? Envin?
Nah. Part of something. WD-40
Coffee?
with WD-40 in it.
What is this? Oh my god, did that work?
Yeah.
Whoa! Does this coffee work?
Engine oil.
Right, okay. Oh yeah.
I'm not worried about there being like a snake or something underneath this shit when I lift it up.
How many metals?
Flooring.
God,
What do we got here?
oh, TV.
The hits of the 70s.
Yeah, it wouldn't work. How would it work? How the hell would it work?
It's like that.
Carpet or something.
You know what that is?
Ice?
Glass.
No, oh.
What else? Cool. Oh, mate, you don't have any shoes on, so don't walk in there, please.
Are we going?
Alright, let's keep going, see what else we can find. Come on, you're going the wrong way. Where are you going? Directly on the glass. Smart. Motorbike track there.
Oh, what?
This way. Are you coming or not? I'm having a skateboard.
A motorbike track.
We're at the water. Whoa! I've never felt dry sand.
Oh, what the hell? The ground.
Look at all the salt.
Huh?
I said, look at all the salt on the ground.
I thought that was deep.
That's why it's so crunchy.
Where's the salt?
Because the sand is just covered in salt. It's like rock hard.
Is it what
hate
color
that.
is the salt?
Salt is salt. Salt is salt.
Treasure.
What up? Yeah.
Careful, there's probably glass everywhere here.
Fuck.
Don't swear, please.
Hungry duck.
We'll go around here to where there's no glass.
Someone had hungry duck over it. This feels like a hungry. Oh. There's glass all over the place.
Yeah, just follow me.
Oh, bitch. Hey.
Feels so weird.
It's so crunchy.
Feels like dry sand. I've never felt before.
Yeah, you have. Yeah, damn. You walked on it before.
It's not a bad little beachy spot. I said it's not a bad little beachy spot.
That's super hot sand.
Oh, somebody was down here drinking that fancy shit. It's a cool little mangrove spot.
Yeah,
Good mud crab.
Minecraft.
Good mud crabbing down here.
Yeah. Good little view
Are
of
there
Minecraft
shells?
moment.
There's not
I'm
really.
looking at shell that I'm not looking at what.
Bit of both.
Minecraft is ultra HD.
Shells. What do you got? You got clams. That's a big oyster shell.
And this clam, my favorite because it has a rock with a bunch of other little tiny shells.
It does too.
It's
That's awesome.
pretty, super big.
Awesome. I think we might keep going now. Let's go.
Go for yeah.
Look at this. This is all just metal. It's all just rusty metal. Piled pieces, millions and millions of pieces. Just all piled up. Look at that. It's all just rust. That's crazy. You end up with that. Turning this shit just rust colour. Look at that. It's just all from the rust. The colour of it. So gross. Alright,
Oh, wow.
let's go.
Oh, wow, that's hot.
Bye bye to the water.